to take you over to the ocean because we have some patterns to clear today. My spirit tells us we should all work together on breaking up the old and bringing in the new. So let's do it together. I think it would make it a lot easier for both of us. So let's go. Use nature for helping us get the job done. So I took off my sunglasses because I want to look you right in the eye. You can see me too. I have this great idea I want to share with you. You know, we're all feeling this need in our lives. Certainly my clients, people on my radio shows, and my friends and family, and general conversation in the world about needing to break up old patterns. That it's just time to let things go. And I was thinking about patterns are like this rock behind me. I mean, this rock, this earth was shaped by the ocean, just having the same kind of repeated energies, building and building. So all of a sudden we have this massive edifice in the middle of the beach, just like patterns become these massive boulders in the middle of your life that you move around, but maybe it's time to break them up. So first let's think about what you want to break up. And I was thinking about that when I was getting ready to make this little video conversation with you, and I'm definitely ready to break up some of the very ancient patterning I got from childhood and Catholic school, and patterns of low self-esteem and fear of authority, and a really important pattern I'm ready to let go of that's been influencing my life is working too hard and feeling that hard work is good and relaxing is a waste. So those are my patterns that I'm ready to let go of. So it turns from this to this. What patterns do you want to let go of? Think of one or two. And then I have this really great visual way to let them go. So you think of them, and then I'll show you my new way. Okay. Well, as you can see, I'm standing in front of the ocean. Now, I live in Chicago, and I'm not around the ocean very much, but being here, I want to use the energy of the ocean, and I want to share the energy of the ocean. So, think of your patterns as these energies that are fixed and blocking you, and that you're so used to them you don't even think about them, and then think of the ocean and the wave coming in, and as it hits the rock and explodes into complete droplets of water, imagine that is like your pattern. So let's do it. Notice, at least in my life, and maybe you might think about it in yours, that negative patterns kind of come in waves. There's like one, and then another, and then another, and then they kind of get quiet again. So let's use and work with that flow and think about what waves of patterns are hitting our life right now. It might be waves of low self-esteem, or waves of fear of abundance, or waves of loneliness, or waves of sickness. Whatever wave you want to let go of, we're going to break it apart and free that energy. Let's see what's coming. Let's watch how the wave can be exploded into new vitality. Here it comes! Woo! Freedom! We're part of nature. We're just part of it. So think of the biggest one you have to let go of, because that's the one we're going to explode next. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow! Woo! You know, patterns are really just thought forms. And nature can help you use nature to explode your thought forms. You know, in one way, it looks like footprints on the beach, like these footprints over here. And imagine that it's using nature to just wipe those footprints away, and those old not going to go there anymore. And then you can have fresh speech for new steps. Like this. The whole point is our thoughts create our lives. And we forget that. But we can remember if we just watch nature. It's always moving. Nothing stays the same. Even the rocks are changing with the flow. So we don't have to be stuck either. We can capture and remember we're part of nature and liberate ourselves and evolve with nature into new energy if we just remember and play with it a little bit. It doesn't have to be serious. So, from the ocean, just getting in the habit of stopping whatever you're doing when your mind is playing tricks on you and scaring you, is to stop and look around. It's instant meditation. It only takes a minute. Your mind is clear, channels are open. If you add breath to it, you can hear your higher self, you can feel your higher self, and you can get back on track. And the way you know it's working is you'll feel it. You'll feel good. So that's just a little tip to share with you. I hope you use it. It works for me.